Besides its beautiful beaches and famous food, Thailand is also well known for its temples, and each has its own unique story to tell. As the sun rises over the Chao Phraya River, the River of Kings that runs through the heart of Bangkok, you'll glimpse the new 64-metre giant Buddha towering over the temple Wat Pak Nam. You can venture here on a traditional longtail boat tour. Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, also comes to life on the city's riverside in a dazzling display of golden spires and intricate mosaics. Named after the Indian god of dawn, Arun, the temple was built in the 19th century by King Rama II. You can climb to the top of this riverside temple for a panoramic view of Bangkok's skyline and witness the beauty of a new day dawning. Not far away alongside the river is the Temple of the Emerald Buddha, a sacred site that houses one of the most revered statues in Thailand. It sits within Bangkok's famous Grand Palace and is a must-see for any visitor to the city. Carved from a single piece of jade, the Emerald Buddha symbolises peace and enlightenment, drawing pilgrims from far and wide to pay their respects. A short journey south of the Grand Palace is the Buddhist temple complex of Wat Po. The temple complex houses the largest collection of Buddha images in Thailand, including the famous 46-metre-long reclining Buddha. Wat Saket, or the Temple of the Golden Mount, is also another Bangkok masterpiece that is perched on Ratcha-burana Island in the city heart. Construction of the Golden Mount Chedi began during the reign of King Rama IV in the 19th century. 320 stairs will take you to the top. Just over an hour from Bangkok is the unique Wat Prak, aptly named the Dragon Temple. A massive dragon sculpture wraps itself around the temple, symbolising protection and power. Visitors can climb to the top of the dragon for a view of the surrounding countryside. Our journey continues to the ancient city of Ayutthaya, the former 14th century capital of the Kingdom of Siam. The ruins of Wat Ratcha-burana stand as a reminder of the city's rich history and cultural heritage. Explore the intricate carvings and towering spires of this ancient temple and immerse yourself in the grandeur of a bygone era. The ancient city of Sukhothai was the capital of the First Thai Kingdom in the 13th century, and amongst its crumbling ruins you'll find the remains of numerous chedis and temples. Onwards to Chiang Mai in Thailand's north, known for its misty mountains and back to nature pursuits. A must-visit here is Wat Pratat Doi Sathep, a sacred temple that sits atop a mountain overlooking the city of Chiang Mai. Legend has it that the temple was built to enshrine a piece of the Buddha's shoulder bone, and pilgrims come here from far and wide to pay their respects and soak in the spiritual energy of this holy site. If meditation or contemplation are your pursuits, you might want to visit the White Pagoda at Asom Prom Tada, 65 kilometres south of Chiang Mai. This is a centre for meditation and Buddhist teaching. It is the only wat in the north of Thailand built in Nepalese style. Set on a hill, surrounded by rice paddies, the ashram is a calming experience. Onwards in the northern province of Chiang Rai, the blue temple of Wat Rung Sua Ten stands out as a dazzling masterpiece of art and architecture. The White Temple in Chiang Rai is a modern marvel that captivates visitors with its ethereal beauty and intricate details. Designed by artist Chalermchai Kositpipat, this temple is a dazzling fusion of traditional Thai motifs and contemporary artistry. Our journey then turns south. Not far from the coastal city of Hua Hin, deep in the heart of the jungle, Chedipat Di Prakad beckons travellers to discover its hidden beauty and spiritual significance. This temple is a haven for those seeking a connection to nature and the divine. Reaching the island of Phuket, our journey arrives in Chalong, which is home to the beautiful Chalong Temple. During the 19th century, two revered monks both tended to the wounded during the rebellion against Chinese tin miners. The temple served as a haven for those injured and seeking refuge. It remains a haven of peace and altruism. From here, your eyes might be drawn upwards to the magnificent Big Buddha, which sits within Wat Kati Sankaram Temple and gazes out over the sea. This is a true treasure of Thailand's south and seems to be the perfect place to end our exploration of Thailand's unforgettable temples.